Hey everyone! You've probably heard of ChatGPT, but did you know that you can actually use it to make extra income? Today, I'm going to break down 5 ways you can leverage ChatGPT as a side hustle and start earning with AI. First, try content creation services. With ChatGPT, you can help clients write blog posts, emails, or even social media content quickly. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have tons of demand for this service, and you can charge per project or word count. Next, think about offering tutoring or language services. Use ChatGPT to help generate practice materials or answer common questions in subjects like English, math, or even coding. Sites like Preply or Wisent let you offer tutoring services, and AI can be your backend assistant. Another option is social media management. Create engaging posts, captions, or even chat responses for clients. Tools like Hootsuite can help you schedule your posts, while ChatGPT assists with content creation. Fourth, consider resume writing and career services. Many people need help polishing their resumes and cover letters, and ChatGPT can make it easy to provide this service. Sites like LinkedIn or Indeed have groups and marketplaces to help you connect with clients. Finally, productivity consulting. ChatGPT can help generate ideas for personalized productivity plans or daily planners. Market these at digital downloads or Etsy or Gumroad to create a passive income stream. There you go! 5 ways to make money using ChatGPT. Drop your questions in the comments and subscribe for more tips on making money online.